Alright guys, so today we're going to show you how to take down a TV wall mount. Not just the TV, the whole mount itself. Just in case you bought one that was not articulating and now you want to replace it with one that is articulating. Or if you just don't want your TV wall mounted anymore. First thing you're going to want to do, this is a non-articulating model. So I'm just going to pull these strings here, which is going to release the TV from the wall mount. I'm going to set that off to the side. Now from there, you're going to take your faceplate off. Of course, you're going to have to remove the wall mount itself as well. Some TVs that come with articulating wall mounts, they'll have little bolts in the back that you got to undo. So getting your TV off the mount itself may differ. I have the other videos on how to remove a TV from the wall mount itself. I do have other ones for that. So now we need to find the socket to take this down. Now this particular wall mount is going to be a 1/2 inch socket or a 13mm socket, depending on if you're imperial or metric. They're basically the same thing. So you're just going to put it on there and back those bolts out. And with those bolts out, peel it off the wall. Looks like I went in just a little too far on the one. Kind of divoted up the wall a little bit. That's okay though. We can buff that out. Actually, we won't have any problem buffing that out. That's all it takes to remove it, guys. Your wall mount may be a little bit different shape. Especially if it's articulating. It's going to be a lot different shape. But it's that easy to take off. You just take the bolts that are holding it to the wall out and you're good to go. Now I gotta go get this thing put on the new one. You're going to want to remove the old faceplate and then put the new faceplate on. So for this, this is the faceplate, the one that's on there. So we're just going to take that off. We're just going to put that Phillips head right into those screws, back those right out. Now we're going to set those off to the side because we're going to use those here in a minute to size how long we need the new ones to be.